Hello, it's Kristen. We do sell in Davis Islands. Oh, you're looking for a low maintenance property on the island, but not a condo. You're looking for a townhome. Okay. So you're looking for a townhome, newer construction. Oh, but you need to move in the next 30 to 60 days. Okay, so let me get this straight. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, newer construction, and water views. I definitely have the property for you. Talk to you soon.